Hi guys, it's Tudor Jones here. I'd like to welcome you to the course and thank you for subscribing and picking up your copy of the Affiliate Business Blueprint. Now, before I go any further, you will want to grab the link for the free training course here and save it to your notepad. You want to be sure to do this so you can refer back to the training, otherwise you'll have to keep signing up to return to the training. That being said, my name is Tudor Jones and I've been working as an affiliate marketer for 3 years. Now, if you'd like to learn more about me, you can head over to my blog, which is tudorjonesblog.com. You can check out the About section, where I discuss my journey over the last few years. If you'd like to speak to me personally, you can add me on Facebook, or you can use the Contact Us section on my blog here. Alternatively, you can email me at tudorjonesblog@gmail.com and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Now, my personal goal and vision is to help as many people as possible to gain financial freedom. I believe in setting goals, I believe in determination, and I believe in working hard. And this course involves a business model that requires these principles to succeed with. Now, what I'm going to be teaching you here is how you can build your own sales machine. This business model has the potential to make you as much money as you want, and you can use it in any niche. The system that you're going to learn in this course has been around for a while, and it will be around for years to come. What I'm saying is, if you can take action and apply what I'm teaching you, then you will make money and you can scale this business to a level where you can make thousands every month. I do need to say though, that you will need to put the work in to make this business model work. But I can promise you that you will not regret the work that you will have done when you see the results that you are going to get. Now, as we go through the training, I will be mentioning certain softwares that you can use to make this business model work as efficiently as possible. These softwares are mainly free softwares, and you can find them in the resources section at the top of the page. Okay guys, the first video is video number 1, where I'll get down to the nitty-gritty of the business model that I use to run my business. So I'll see you in the next video guys.